All right, on this episode of Dave's Cooking Show, we are cooking up some hominy and bacon. This is a side dish in logging camps and apparently a breakfast side dish if you lived in the Pacific Northwest. It's really simple and actually really good and really filling. So, basically, what I have here is a pound of bacon I've chopped up into about half-inch pieces or so. Maybe 3/4 of an inch. Somewhere between a half and 3/4 of an inch. And let's just cook that up. And once the bacon's done, remove it from the pan. And like a complete jackass, make sure you spill the two 12-ounce cans of evaporated milk you're going to use to not only thicken it up and make a sort of a gravy for this dish, but also deglaze the pan. But make sure you spill at least a good chunk of it all over your goddamn range. It's very important. And this is 40 ounces of hominy that I drained from the can and then rinsed off. And then you want to add this and give it a little stir around. And then basically let it simmer over a medium-low to low heat. You do not want the milk to scorch for about 10 to 15 minutes or so. This whole dish should take you roughly about 30 minutes. With the bacon cooking time included. Okay, now that the milk's thickened up a bit, time to add the bacon in, and then let it simmer for about another 10 minutes or so. It's just up to you at this point. And then to serve, there's not really that much. Just grab a bowl, grab a ladle, and serve it on up. Maybe put a little pepper on top, maybe a little cheese, but that's really it. Hominy and bacon. Done.